Hello, this is Jacob with Bloom Gardens again. I know it's been a while since I've posted a few videos, but been busy. This is a new koi pond I built in front of my house. This is a 550 gallon water tank that I cut the bottom off of to make the media bed tray, and turned the rest of it upside down and put it 2.5 feet down in the ground, and it's about 2 feet above the ground. I've got about a half a cubic yard of this lightweight aggregate here. I believe is made from recycled beer bottles. And I've got kind of like an invisible waterfall in here. You see I've got a metal grate here holding the rock back. And you see the water coming through. So you can hear it, but the water's not exposed to the light or for animals to drink. This is a total of 4.5 feet deep. It's pretty cloudy right now because of the rock. Once it cleans up, I'm going to add some larger rock to the bottom of this just for a bed. This box right here is going to be for mechanical filtration. You see it comes in through here. Holes cut in this box. Still a little cloudy. There's holes cut in this box, and then on the other side of it there's a metal grate the same as this here holding the rock back, and then it's got this overflow here. This will be filled with polyfill once I find a couple old pillows to sacrifice. And I do have an overflow here so that if this gets full of rain, it'll drain into here. I am going to put another drain in here, or an overflow for the tank. And that's pretty much it. The total water volume in here is about 430 gallons. So I know this is way more media than I need for that small water volume, but I am going to have a pretty heavy load. So I'm going to take a look on the outside of it. The bricks, or the filter media bed, will get a skirt around the bottom of it to hide the bricks. And then I'm thinking of maybe like a pink quartz or pink granite for the rock on the landscape fabric. That's from the front of the house. That's it.